NVIDIA just dropped Newton, an open-source physics engine built with Disney and DeepMind, making robots learn 100x faster. Plus, humanoid robots are coming to homes this year. Is the future finally here? NVIDIA, in collaboration with Google DeepMind and Disney Research, has launched Newton, an open-source physics engine designed to revolutionize robotics simulation. Announced at NVIDIA's GTC conference on March 18, 2025, Newton aims to close the sim-to-real gap, helping robots learn complex tasks faster and more accurately. Built on NVIDIA's Warp framework, Newton harnesses GPU acceleration to deliver rapid, high-fidelity simulations. It integrates MuJoCo-Warp, achieving over 70x faster humanoid simulations and 100x speedups for in-hand manipulation tasks, compared to traditional methods. Key features include open-source framework, encourages global collaboration and innovation. GPU acceleration, powered by CUDA-X for faster, more efficient simulations. Differentiable physics, enables machine learning models to optimize robot behaviors through backpropagation. OpenUSD integration, streamlines data handling for robots and environments. Disney Research showcased Newton's potential by animating Star Wars-inspired BDX droids on stage during the keynote. Kyle Laughlin, SVP of Walt Disney Imagineering, emphasized the engine's role in creating more lifelike, interactive robotic characters. Beyond entertainment, Newton is part of NVIDIA's broader robotics ecosystem, alongside the Isaac GR00T N1 Foundation model and Cosmos Generative World models, poised to drive innovation across industrial automation, entertainment, and beyond. Expected to release later this year, Newton promises to empower developers, accelerate humanoid robot development, and help address global labor shortages. This collaboration between NVIDIA, Google DeepMind, and Disney Research is a bold step toward a future filled with intelligent, versatile robots. Norwegian robotics startup 1X plans to bring its humanoid robot, Neo Gamma, into real-world homes, starting with early tests in a few hundred to a few thousand households by the end of 2025, according to CEO Bernd Bornich. Neo Gamma is going into homes this year, Bornich told TechCrunch at NVIDIA's GTC 2025 event. We're inviting early adopters to help us refine the system that we want it to live and learn alongside people. And for that, we need people willing to take Neo into their homes and teach it how to behave. The race to create practical home robots is heating up. Bay Area competitor Figure announced plans for home tests in 2025, alongside reports of a $1.5 billion funding round at a $40 billion valuation. OpenAI, one of 1X's investors, is also rumored to be exploring humanoid robotics. Bornich acknowledges Neo Gamma isn't fully autonomous yet. It uses AI for balance and movement, but relies on human teleoperators, remote operators who can monitor sensors and control the robot's limbs when needed. These tests help us gather real-world data to improve Neo Gamma's capabilities, Bornich said. 1X develops most of its AI models in-house, occasionally co-training with partners like OpenAI and NVIDIA. Privacy is a concern when collecting data from inside homes that a company spokesperson said users control when 1X staff can access the robot's cameras, whether for assistance or auditing. Unveiled in February, Neo Gamma builds on its predecessor, Neo Beta, with a more advanced AI and a soft nylon bodysuit designed to reduce injury risk. At GTC, 1X demoed the robot vacuuming, watering plants, and navigating a living room, though it briefly malfunctioned due to poor Wi-Fi and low battery. Details on 1X's early adopter program remain unclear. The company has a waitlist on its website, but hasn't revealed a full go-to-market strategy. For now, only a select group will experience this human-assisted version of Neo Gamma, with fully autonomous home robots still a ways off. Robots learning faster, moving into homes. The future's closer than ever. Are you ready for it?